Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Well, I regret to inform everybody that we did not hit 70,000 subscribers. I was going to wait till today, take a look at the numbers. We are still at 69,782, just shy of about 218 subscribers. Wow, we made it so close. That's very, very close considering we started out at 62,200 subscribers. The channel has gained over 7,500 subscribers in the last 6 weeks. So I wanted to thank you guys, but I still want to give away 2 Ledger Nanos. And so I was thinking about it, and I'm thinking to myself, 218, can we do it by, I don't know, Monday? I'm throwing out an arbitrary date here, but we were so close, guys, so close. And so, again, I wanted to just thank you guys for supporting the channel. Let's see if we can get there by Monday. I still want to give away the 2 ledgers. 70,000 is the goal, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. And in better news, XRP hits 589. Wow, sound the alarms. Oh my goodness. XRP just hit 589 yesterday. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. It's April Fool's, guys. And there's been a slew of April Fool's jokes going around on Twitter, and, it's kind of actually been making it difficult for me to do my research, but I'm just going to go through some of them. Some of them are fun. LEOHADJILOIZOU mentioning that Elon Musk has now joined the Ripple board. That's right, Elon Musk, now part of the Ripple's board of directors. I can confirm it, says Stephen Buldiep. It is now official on Ripple's website. Okay, the Cryptic Poet here, also along the Elon Musk theme, just in Elon Musk tweets about XRP. SpaceX is going to put a literal XRP on the literal moon, posted on April 1st, 2021, with 589 quote tweets. Okay, what else is going on in the space? Well, Stephen Buldiep has also said that he has sold all his XRP for Doge. That's clearly a joke. TEHOLBEDDICTXRP, I think getting caught a little off guard with this one. Haha, awesome. Not sure what $100 million civil settlement and a pledge to return the funds that U.S. investors put into XRP token means. Who they returning the funds to? Still have about 25 billion XRP. Regulatory clarity, he questions, and will let you know when they sell. Winning! This an article that came out from Financial Magnets. Ripple settles XRP case with the SEC for $100 million. And some people down here pointing it out. Seriously, it's an April Fool's joke. This is how these things turn into an avalanche, retweeting and retweeting until the Washington Post runs it like it's a real article and crashes XRP. Wait, never mind. That's a buying opportunity. Adam Lau says, please tell me you know this is an April Fool's joke. Some people getting fooled with these things. At first glance, you might have to do a double take. Remember what date it is today. Here's another one pointed out by MACKATTACKXRP here on Twitter. April Fool's Day, yet CoinMarketCap has officially removed XRP from the list. Gone, resolved, no longer exists. A screen grab from CoinMarketCap, XRP nowhere to be found. Or is it? What CoinMarketCap did was actually push it down to number 1,744th on the list here, which some people are saying there's significance to that number. I'm not entirely sure what the significance is. If you guys know, put it down in the comments section. To that point, Ian Northing here saying, oh my, the XRP drama show continues. Number 1,744, which equals 88. Which is the reset. Still, I couldn't find any information to that. Clearly, it is a joke, though. No data on volume, no data on market dominance, market rank at 1,744. And down here, Patrick Ballantyne saying something is going on. The volume went nuts. So this not an April Fool's joke. This from Utility-Scan. And I also saw the same news here from TEHOLBEDDICXRP on Twitter within the Philippines corridor. I believe that is the Philippines corridor. Check out that volume, guys, for ODL. We are seeing a huge spike for daily volume in the USD PHP corridor. So what's going on there? Despite the fact that today is a bit of a fun day for jokes, that is no joke. That is serious news. Some other people commenting on XRP's statistics on the CoinMarketCap list. And of course, we can't really take anything too seriously today. Take everything with a grain of salt, guys. Make sure you know where you're getting your information. But, I think a lot of people are just having some fun today. Holy wowzers, what is happening? This coming from Almost Real Chris here on Twitter. $58,900 per XRP, up 32 2,142,069%. So again, just to my point here, make sure you guys know where you're getting your information. People are good at Photoshop these days, myself included. All right, but what's really going on in the space? So Michael at Val5Links posted this $1 billion to flow into crypto starting in April, and today is April 1st. And so Mike Novogratz believes that $1 trillion is about to be injected into the crypto sector. In a Reuters Digital Assets Week interview, Novogratz says that as traditional financial institutions begin to offer cryptocurrency products, baby boomers or those currently between 55 to 75 could start dabbling in the space in April. Here's a quote from Mike Novogratz. It could be as much as $1 trillion comes over the next year from that giant group of wealth. The money will start coming in early next month. The former hedge fund manager says Bitcoin is especially enticing for people who are concerned about the consequences of the growing money supply. So guys, this idea of inflation is just becoming more and more popular. You know, even when I talk to people about it today, I feel like most people still don't have a clue, but people are realizing their governments are printing money and therefore that they should be a little bit concerned about that. And so today when I talk about Bitcoin, today when I talk about XRP and other cryptocurrencies, more people tend to listen rather than, kind of just push it off as, okay, that's a fringe idea. So we're seeing this now, more baby boomers likely to invest in cryptocurrencies, and baby boomers, the wealthiest generation as of now. If you're worried that the US is printing too many dollars, you're going to shift some of your savings into Bitcoin. This coming from Mike Novogratz. His prediction echoes that of digital assets titan Grayscale Investments, which foresees a massive generational transfer of wealth hitting the cryptocurrency market. While Novogratz sees baby boomers putting their money directly into the crypto markets, Grayscale predicts that when the younger generations inherit their wealth, large swaths of that money will inevitably end up being invested in cryptocurrency. So Mike Novogratz saying that it is happening, guys. This month, April 2021, money is going to flow into the crypto space. Let's take a look at what's going on right now. XRP trading at about 55.8, down a bit on the hourly. This is XRP on the hourly. We've got Bitcoin here chugging upward, still moving in an upward trajectory, making higher lows, higher highs. Okay, really eyeing that all-time high for Bitcoin to push up to even higher highs. That would bring Bitcoin to about 61,700, give or take. And guys, look how close we are to that. The crypto market pushing higher as well. So the market cap right now just shy of $1.9 trillion. And Bitcoin dominance slipping a little bit at 58.2%. As you guys can see here, XRP is back in the number 7th spot. So I guess CoinMarketCap may have been getting concerned emails asking about XRP, perhaps from the XRP community. And this guy's for me in Northing just to this point, and I think this is unbelievable as well. Okay, he's retweeting out, documenting Bitcoin's tweet here. And this was less than a year ago, okay? Goldman Sachs denies Bitcoin is an asset class. This is what they said back in May of 2020. I was actually quite shocked when I saw that date because that sounds like something that they would have said back in 2017 or 2018 at the height of the what they deemed the Bitcoin bubble. So Goldman Sachs denies Bitcoin is an asset class, and yet less than a year later, Goldman Sachs Bitcoin investment offering coming in Q2, says a report. So a complete 180 on Bitcoin, and this is not the first bank that has done this. JP Morgan has done it. Of course, their narrative is tell the masses the opposite of what they are likely doing. I mean, in May 2020, the Bitcoin price was significantly lower. Let's bring the Bitcoin chart here on the daily, and I can show you guys. May 2020 was in and around here, okay, where Bitcoin was trading in and around this zone here. So just shy of $10,000 in the 9,000s. And sure enough, now look where the price of Bitcoin has risen to. And Mike Novogratz saying, more money will be pouring in. And I have a feeling that this is another indication of that same thing. So baby boomers investing in Bitcoin. Of course, we know the narrative surrounding Bitcoin. It is terrible for payments. It has no real world utility other than, mostly a store of value. Kind of like gold, I suppose. We give it value and therefore it is worth $60,000 or $58,000 today, USD, as per the perceived value that investors are willing to pay. We also have cryptocurrencies like XRP that, even though today are not worth too much, right? 55.5 cents. we are going to see the currency grow in value with that real world utility in the future. And, you know, a lot of us in the space have tried to calculate how much could XRP really rise based on real world utility. And, you know, there's all kinds of models. The unfortunate thing is there are so many factors involved that it's very difficult to really kind of pinpoint and nail down a price for XRP. Well, guys, I was just contacted by Phil DXRP on Twitter. He sent me this and he wanted me to share it on the channel. This is his creation, the Crypto Calculator or Crypto Calc, and I will link this resource down in the description of this video. He says, to be updated soon with BTC. Welcome. This Crypto Calculator is the implementation of formulas coming from the 2018 report, a fundamental valuation framework for crypto assets. So this is what he bases it on. It was the report by Robert Michnick and Susan Athey. It is designed to work with any crypto asset, but the calculator currently works only with XRP. We might extend it in the future with other cryptos. This is not an investment tool and is provided for entertainment only. The objective in this document is double. First, to learn how the valuation of an asset is made, understand the various parameters and their impact on valuation of the token when it will be at its steady state. By steady state, the report means maturity of the market it targets. The report above calculates the steady state to be around the year 2030. So 9 years away. Second, to use default scenario and able to create your own and check the impact on future and actual valuations. I tried to make this interface as simple as possible to use and be flexible enough to enable newbies and more experienced users to enjoy the calculator. Have fun. So guys, are you ready to look at some valuation models for XRP? Up here, you got to choose the crypto, and XRP is the only one available right now. So up here in 2018, the date of the report, only Ripple use cases were taken into account. Many things have changed since then for the XRPL in terms of use cases. Ripple use cases will no more drive the value of XRP alone. We have the Flare network, Sologenic, and Coil are just some examples. That's why we adapt the parameters to provide the more accurate values possible for all types of scenarios you can choose from, but you can always change and make your own do-it-yourself scenario if you so wish to. So he gives you some fields where you can put in maximum transaction volume, liquidity, latency, transaction volume demand, and this is in the trillions, guys, total market value, total market percentage, maximum market value, maximum market share, storage demand value, and demand. Then you have fractional reserve, total supply, locked supply, supply, and value of XRP, finally. So it gives you guys an idea of where XRP demand and utility could go based on these factors. Now, he has input some estimates based on a low estimate, a high estimate, and 589. So as a low estimate, we would see max transactional volume be at about 0.19 trillion. So I guess that would be 190 million. Or billion, pardon me. Liquidity latency at 0.5, transaction volume demand at 0.095. So again, these are low value amounts. This would mean that XRP would only take up 1.5% of the total market, and its total market value would be at 750 trillion, just to give you guys an example. The total supply of XRP would be $100 billion. Of course, they are not taking into account the supply that has been burnt, the locked up supply. So this also assumes that the escrow has been fully released into the ecosystem, and this would bring the valuation of XRP to about $17.82. That is his low estimate here. You can also fiddle with these options as well, and it gives you some more definitions with regards to what these things are, just to give you guys more of an idea of what you are calculating. So down here, for example, MV market value, the total market value of an investable asset, report gives 750 trillion. The report says the total value of all investable assets is approximately 450 trillion, and total global household wealth is approximately 300 trillion. In a state of the world where crypto assets emerge as an important foundation of the global economy and develop robust underlying transaction markets, these assets are likely to draw significant investment market share from traditional hard assets such as gold, as well as from other investment alternatives. So there's a lot of great information here, guys. On the low end, this is assuming that an XRP will be worth $17.82. What does a high estimate look like? Well, you guys can see here the number has grown. Total market value at 750 trillion. Total market percentage still at 1.5. We've got storage demand 3.375 and demand 8.975 trillion. Of course, it assumes 100 billion XRP in the ecosystem and 0 locked up, which would bring an XRP valuation of about $89.75. Of course, up here, the max transactional volume has increased from, I believe it was 0.19 originally in the low estimate, to 0.56. So I believe that's 560 billion. So again, guys, a fun resource here to calculate the potential price of XRP in these very different scenarios. Boy, I wish I had this tool. Back when I started the channel, we were doing a lot of these types of calculations manually. And finally, guys, 589, it changes the values. You can also put in your own estimate. You can change these values manually. So what do you guys think? How much utility will be derived from XRP? Will it bring the token to $17.82 or $89.75 or something even higher? I just wanted to remind you yet again that these numbers are coming from the fundamental valuation framework for crypto assets put out by Robert Michnick and Susan Athey back in June of 2018. So this is based on real utility for XRP. So how much real world utility will we see in the coming years? Tell me down in the comments what you guys think. And guys, subscribe to the channel. We have to hit 70,000. I'm giving you guys till Monday. Can we do it? Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.